Selling age-restricted products online comes with a responsibility to verify customer age. But how can you do this seamlessly and without disrupting the shopping experience? Try the Age Verifier extension in Foxify, your powerful page builder app. This user-friendly extension is built into Foxify, allowing you to add a legit age verification pop-up to your store quickly and easily. This pop-up appears before customers enter your online store, verifying their age in a simple and secure way. By using the Age Verifier extension, you gain several key advantages, like compliance protection. Ensure you meet legal requirements for age verification and avoid hefty fines or legal trouble. Seamless customer flow. The age verification pop-up is quick and painless for customers to navigate, minimizing disruption in their shopping journey. Increased sales. Avoid cart abandonment by offering a smooth verification process that doesn't frustrate customers. Welcome to Foxify Tutorials by FoxEcom. Today, let's learn how to add the Age Verifier extension to your store.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially dealt with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme. And get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
Let's get back to adding the Age Verifier extension in Foxify. From your Foxify dashboard, navigate to the App Extensions section. Search for the Fox Age Verifier in the extension library and click Install Extension. Once the extension is installed, in the extension settings, you can edit the content displayed on the pop-up, such as the verification message, button text, and age requirement. Make sure the information aligns with your local regulations and the age restrictions for your products. Once you're happy with the content, click Update to apply the changes. The styles of text and buttons are based on your global style settings. To learn more about this powerful feature, check out our video for it. That's all. With the Age Verifier extension and Foxify, you can easily implement a secure and user-friendly age verification system for your Shopify store. But the Age Verifier is just one of the many powerful tools of app extensions in Foxify. This feature allows you to seamlessly integrate various third-party apps with your Foxify page builder, unlocking a vast library of functionalities. Check out the link in the description below to learn more about Foxify app extensions and discover the perfect tools to take your business to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Foxify tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching.